Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
पणजे महापालिकेच्या नवे बिल्डिंगे खातीर 4 ऑक्टोबराक बुन्याद घाल्ली. काम बेगीनूच सोंपतलें म्हूण तेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री उलयल्लो.
ताजे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह ऑफिस बाकीची सगळी प्रिमायसीस जनरेटा खातीर CCB एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 75 crores रुपीज खर्च करून तेजी ही बिल्डिंग कन्स्ट्रक्ट करता. पणजेकारां खातीर हे पुराय CCB खातीर हे एकमेव सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ द पेंजीम गोंयांतले हे एक बरे प्रशस्त इमारतीन जाय आशिल्ले ताचो आज फावंडेशन स्टोन घालता. जाता तितके बेगीन प्रोजेक्ट पुराय जाता आनी ताजे आमी लोकार्पण करता.
काम सोंपपाचे पयसूच कामूच सुरू जावंक ना. महापौर रोहित मनसराताक विचारल्यार तो सांगता पालिके कडच्यान कांयच उरूंक ना. जी सुडाचे पावण्यार उरला. जानेरात काम खंय सुरू जावं येता.
G Suda was supposed to clear the infrastructure tax, okay, at PDA. That amount was supposed to have been cleared then. So that amount was not cleared. So later we find out that there was a negative report written by finance. So they raised a query saying that since G Suda is funding they are putting 12 crores towards the funding of a building, CCB should pay the infrastructure tax. So we said, okay, not a problem. We wrote to G Suda and we told G Suda basically to give us a letter saying that CCB should bear the amount. So once we got the letter, we've paid that 95 lakhs plus another 32 lakhs I think was pending. So we've cleared that full amount. So now we're just waiting for G Suda to give the contractor permission to start. Once that G Suda gives the contractor permission, we're hoping to start in Jan.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.